Heavy-duty TruClose round post hinges are ideal for most types of round post gates and fences. Various adapters provide fitting to most common round diameters. These adapters slot into the rear of the hinge body. All heavy-duty models of TruClose hinges come supplied with the screws necessary for installation. Chock and level each gate as required to assist installation. With the appropriate adapters inserted into the hinge, place the unit onto the gate and mark the 4 screw holes. A centre punch will assist the drilling of the pilot holes. With the pilot holes drilled, place the hinge over the holes and screw it into place. Open the gate and repeat this process for the side fixing legs. Then repeat this entire process for the bottom hinge. To adjust the closing tension of the hinges, take a large bladed screwdriver and depress the internal adjuster and turn counterclockwise to tension as required.